Do you guys want to see something ridiculous? Look at all of these freaking cables. This year especially, I'm trying to keep my bedroom as clean as possible, especially since I spend pretty much every day in this room. But it becomes very difficult for me when I have to organize all of these freaking wires. So for the past week, I've been trying to find everything that I possibly can to organize all of the crap in my room. And just recently, I came across a product called Bento Stack. It started out as an Indiegogo project, and nowadays you can get it on their website function101.com. I want to try posting more reviews on this channel, so this is a little review of Bento Stack. This product was intended to sort cables and Apple Watch bands and stuff, but essentially you can pretty much put anything in these. So as you might be able to tell, these are shaped after Japanese bentos. Of course I know that because I'm Asian, look at my eyes. But anyway, first off, they come with two of these elastic bands. One is a larger one and one is a smaller one. So once you take off the band, these little sections can come apart. So there's a bottom one, which I believe is actually the largest one. And then there's the mid-tier one. And finally, there's this top cover. So if you notice, there's also these black little covers, I guess. You can take these off. This one here you can use to put your Apple Watch bands in them. And then this top one right here, they actually advertise it with the Apple pencil, but I just put a random pencil in there. And that's actually part of the beauty of this. Although they sort of intend you to use wires and Apple Watch bands and stuff, you could essentially just use this for anything. So in total, there are 4 different compartments, 5 if you count the cover. So I've been using these for a lot of my technology accessories and stuff. The larger bottom compartment I use for my camera chargers. I have 2 Canon battery chargers that fit perfectly in here. And then on the mid-tier one, I have an Apple Watch charger, some SD card cases, and a lightning cable. And then finally, as I said, I have the pencil in the top one. And so you just stack them on top of each other. You can put the elastic band around it. And then now you have a nice little storage for your cables and stuff. In general, I definitely do like the idea of this. There are some things that I kind of wish they changed about it. One major thing is that I wish there was more space for it. It's kind of a two-way street because as it is right now, it fits perfectly in my drawer. But I would honestly have liked it if they sort of made these compartments a bit taller. That, or if they made these black little mini compartments a bit smaller. The reason being is that sometimes I can't fit some of the things that I want to fit in here. I thought it would be perfect if I could fit an Apple Watch charger, a lightning cable, and the actual Apple wall plug adapter. But if you put it in the middle, it does not fit because the wall plug is actually too tall. I think it would be cool if they offer a Bento Stack XL or something. And the other main flaw I found with this product is that I kind of wish there was Velcro or magnets or something to hold them together. That way you don't have to use the band. I mean, it definitely looks nice and it looks kind of cute. But when I'm just putting this in my drawer, I honestly don't want to have to take off the band every time I want to get to my camera chargers or something. If it were Velcro or magnetic or something, I could just take off the top like that and then just put it back. But I mean, those are just little nitpicks. To be honest, they're not a deal breaker or anything. I definitely still think this is a great product. It runs a bit expensive at $50 US at function101.com. But I will say that it is a very premium looking and feeling product. It would have honestly been nice though if it was 25 or 30 US dollars. But anyway, that is my quick review of Bento Stack. I wanted to try out something to organize my cables, but to be honest, I have so many freaking cables that even with this, it still is a gosh darn mess. I'll make sure to leave a link in the description to the website where you can get your own Bento Stack. Anyway guys, thank you for watching this video, and I will talk to you guys again soon. Bye!